Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete all emails from a sender in your Gmail account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on search me right here. Just enter the sender name. So go ahead and enter Alibaba. So once you enter the sender name, hit on enter, then you have all mails sent by a single sender right here. So go ahead and click on this top right here to check all. So once you click on check all, go ahead and click on delete. So we still have more right here. So go ahead and click on the top right here, select all, go ahead and click on delete. So you can go now on and go ahead and click on select all, go ahead and delete. Still have more, select all, go ahead and delete. And select all. Then go ahead and click on delete. And select all, delete. Select all, delete. Select all, delete. Select all, delete. Select all and delete. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.